Let's compare two decimal numbers, 0.5 and 0.55. Which one is larger? Let's solve this two different ways. First, let's make both numbers have the same number of decimal places. We can do this by adding a 0 to 0.5. Let's look at this using a place value chart. We have tenths and hundredths. For 0.50, we have 5 tenths and 0 hundredths. For 0.55, we have 5 tenths and 5 hundredths. Now we can easily compare these numbers. Since both numbers have 5 tenths, we look at the hundredths place. 0.55 has 5 hundredths while 0.50 has 0 hundredths. Therefore, 0.55 is larger. Let's verify this another way by converting both decimals to fractions. 0.5 is equal to 5 tenths, which is the same as 50 hundredths. 0.55 is equal to 55 hundredths. Let's visualize these fractions. Here's a rectangle divided into 100 equal parts. 50 hundredths, or 0.5, fills this much of the rectangle. 55 hundredths, or 0.55, fills this much. We can clearly see that 55 hundredths is more than 50 hundredths. So using both methods, comparing decimal places and converting to fractions, we can conclude that 0.55 is larger than 0.5.